Hey guys, my name is Khadija Khalid and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be making a hair bonnet, and these are the items we'll be needing. We need a satin fabric, an Ankara fabric as well, some pins, a pair of scissors, tape measure, a marker or a chalk, and let's just get straight into the video. Please, if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. I'm going to be folding my fabric. My fabric is already kind of circular. I'm just going to measure 12 centimeters from that point to that point, and then I'm going to be marking it. Now I'm just going to join those marks, and then I'm just going to cut out that part. So now I'm going to put out my cut out satin fabric on the Ankara fabric. Mind you, the right side of the satin fabric is facing the right side of the Ankara fabric. Now you pin the two fabrics together and then cut out the pattern. Now we are going to be sewing around the fabric, and remember it is about 1 inch away from the edge of the fabric, and remember to also leave about a 2-inch opening so that you can be able to turn your fabric inside and out when you are done sewing. Now let's turn our fabric inside and out. At this point, we are going to be sewing around the fabric about 2 inches away from the edge of the fabric, and make sure you leave an opening where you first left the opening. When you finish, you sew around the fabric again about 1 inch away from the first stitches that were made, and this is going to create a loop where you would pass your elastic band. So if you do not want your hair bonnet to be too tight or too loose, you can pass your elastic band around your head to get the exact measurement of the circumference of your head. But I am using a 50 centimeter elastic band to pass through this hair bonnet. That is like the perfect size of my head. So I'm just passing the elastic band like so through the hair bonnet in progress. Now tie the ends of the elastic band very well. Now we are going to seal this bonnet nicely and give it a good finish. So at this point, you just want to watch what I'm doing and follow. Now you want to cut off all threads that may be hanging on the bonnet, and this is our finished product. And just in case you do not want to make this by yourself and you need to make a purchase, I'll leave the details on how you can get one or some in my description box. And thank you for watching.